Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. Welcome back to our channel and thank you for tuning in. Today we're doing 450 square feet of tile and grout cleaning in a residential. First we're starting out with the turbo hybrid, just giving it a really thorough power wash, cleaning all of that textured tile and all of the grout, getting all that dirt and grime out. She had over 25 years worth of soiling built up, very busy household. She has 3 children, 2 large dogs, and she just couldn't stay on top of it. After we power washed the kitchen and dining room area, we made our way down to the laundry room area. There's also a bathroom and a front entranceway that we also cleaned. The cleaning alone made a real night and day difference, but that's more of a short-term solution. She was looking for the long-term solution. So after we dried up the kitchen, we started the grout color restoration in the dining area. As you can see, it's such a huge difference, night and day difference once we color seal it. This will cut down on the maintenance by about 70%, so it's going to be really easy to maintain these floors going forward. You can also walk on it right away, so you don't have to stay off the floor for any length of time. We can get in and out in one day. There's the bathroom and then the laundry area. Just take a walk down here and head back towards the front entranceway. So if you're looking for tile and grout restoration, grout color sealing, give us a call at 519-208-8533 or visit us on our website at carmichaelcleaning.ca.